So here we have to use only two operators. The first one is logical operators and in logical operators we have to use AND operator, OR operator. And the next one is logical operators. Special operators. So here we have different kinds of special operators available. So the first one is in operator, second one is between operator, third one is like operator. So these are the special kind of operators. So opposite operators also available for these special operators. So for the in operator, opposite not in, and second one for the between operator, opposite operator is not between. And like operator for the opposite, not like. So these are the special operators in SQL Server. So these are the types of operators. So we will discuss one by one practically. So first we will see the arithmetic operators. Select, select. So I am applying the arithmetic operators. 5 plus 6, how much here? 5 plus 6, the answer is 11. And I want to apply the arithmetic operation on top of the table. Select star from employee table. So here we have salary column. We have salary column. So in this salary column we have to apply additional operator. Select employee name comma salary. So I want to add the 2000 for every salary. Salary plus 2000 from employee. So this is the actual salary. So this is the increment salary. So for this column I am giving the alias name as increment. So please observe, for every salary I am adding the 2000. So Smith salary 900. So now I am adding the 2000 here. For the Hari also 1600. So here also I am adding 2000. For every salary I am adding 2000. So like that you need to decrease the salary also. Select employee name comma salary minus 1000 as decrement from employee. So please observe, I am decreasing the 100 for every salary. So like that you need to apply the arithmetic operators on top of the table. So now we will move the relational operators. Okay na? So the first one is equal operator. Select a star from employee where salary is equal to 5,000. So it will return the only 5,000 salary employees. Okay na? So equal means it will return the only that corresponding value only. So please observe, it is written the only 5,000 salary. See the one more example. Select a star from employee where e name is equal to Smith. So it is written the only Smith employee only, right? And the next, select star from employee where department number is equal to 10. So I want to display the only 10th department employees. I don't want display the remaining department. I want only display the 10th department employees. Here please observe. So we will get the only 10th department employees only. So this is the regarding about equal operator. So equal operator returns the only corresponding values, that means equal values. So the next one is not equal. So not equal means opposite of equal operator. Okay na? So equal means return the corresponding value. Not equal means except that value, return the remaining values. Select star from employee where salary not equal to 5,000. This means so except 5,000, return the remaining salaries. So please observe, here there is no 5,000 salary. Okay na? So it is written the remaining salaries. Select star from employee where department number not equal to 30. So I don't want display the 30 department. I want to display the remaining departments. Okay na? So at that time we have to use the not equal operator. So please observe, so except 30, it is written the remaining departments, 20 repeating and 10th repeating, and it does not written the 30 department. Okay, so this is the regarding about not equal operator. And next one is less than. Select star from employee where salary less than 2,000. So it is written the only which employee is having less than 2,000 salary only. Okay na? So please observe, so these all employees getting the less than 2,000. For example, Smith having 900, Hari having 1600, Ward having 1250, Martin having 1250, Turner having 1500, Adams having 1200, and James having 950, Miller having 1300. So like that, so each and every salary can it is display the less than 2,000 only. So less than or equal to means so it will including that values also. So previously it is not displayed 2,000, less than 2,000 it is written. Okay, for example I will take less than 1600. So please observe what happened. So it is displayed the less than 1600. So now I will take salary less than or equal to 1600. So now please observe. So what is the difference here? So less than or equal to means it can including 1600 also, but less than means it cannot include 1600. You cannot, it can exclude this value. So the next one is greater than. Select star from employee where salary greater than 1600. So these employees having more than 1600. You can 3075 and 2850, 2450, 3100, 5300, 3100. These all salaries greater than 1600 only, right? And the next one is select star from employee where a salary greater than or equal to 1600. So here it is, so previous example 1600 are not there, but here 1600 also included. So please observe, okay, in this example 1600 also included. So this is the regarding about relational operators. And the next one is logical operators. So here we have only two logical operators. The first one is AND operator. So what is the use of AND operator? Whenever we have to take the multiple conditions, so all the conditions are satisfied, then only data will be displayed. If any condition not satisfied, the data will not be presented in AND operator. Okay. So in this AND condition, all conditions are satisfied, then only data will display. Otherwise it can't return result. The next one is OR operator. OR operator. So in OR operator, so if you want to take the multiple conditions, so at least one condition is satisfied, that is enough. It is written the data. Okay na? In OR condition, at least one condition is satisfied, then it will return data. See the examples. So first we will see the AND operator, and next we will see the examples on OR operator. Select star from employee where salary less than 1600 and department number is equal to 10. So please observe here, I am taking two conditions. The first condition is salary less than 1600. Second condition is department number equal to 10. Okay na? In under condition, so here both conditions are satisfied, so then only data will be return, otherwise it does not return any data. So please observe. So here only one record is available. Please observe first salary column. So salary is less than 1600, right? And here department also 10. So both conditions are satisfied here. So then only this record is displayed. See the second example. Select star from employee where job is equal to manager and salary greater than 2000 and employee name like start with A. So we will discuss later like operator. Here I am taking three conditions here. So the first condition is job equal to manager, and the second condition is salary greater than 2000, and the third condition is so whose employee names start with A. So here these all the conditions are satisfied, then only data will be displayed, otherwise it is not displayed the data. So there is no data. Please observe, I will put the B. So please observe here Blake employee is uh, employee name is first starting with B letter Blake, and second condition is job equal to manager. See here job equal to manager, and third condition salary greater than 2000. Here salary greater than 3000. Okay now, so here all the conditions are satisfied here. Okay now, so job equal to manager is satisfied, salary greater than 2000 is satisfied, and employee names start with B, it is also satisfied. Okay now, so like that we can use the AND operator. So the next one is OR operator. Select a star from employee where salary less than 1600 or department number is equal to 20. So here I am taking two conditions. First one is salary less than 1600 or either department number is equal to 20. So in these two conditions at least one condition is satisfied, so then only data will return, otherwise it does not return. So please observe first record Smith. So salary less than, first condition is satisfied, but second condition also satisfied. Okay na, please observe the second record. So this is also less than 1600, but this condition not satisfied. Why? Because department 30 here, but it is satisfied. Okay na, salary column is satisfied, but department column not satisfied for the second record. Please observe the third record. So here salary column does not satisfied because it is more than 1600, right? And here department number is satisfied here, department number is 20. Okay now, so like that if you are taken multiple conditions, at least one condition is enough to satisfy the data, so then only data will be written in R condition. But in under conditions all the conditions are satisfied, then only data will return, otherwise it does not return any data. Got it? So the next one is, so here three operators are completed: arithmetic operators and relational operators, and the third one is logical operators. So the next operators are special operators. So already discussed special operators. What are the special operators available? So the first one is in operator, okay na? And the second one is between operator. The third one is like operator. So here opposite also there, but in operator, what is the opposite? Not in. And between, for the between operator, opposite is not between. For the like operator, opposite is not like. Okay, now no need to discuss those ones. So these are the n of, okay na? So first we will see the in operator. So what is the definition of in operator? So in operator take the multiple values at a time. So it will take multiple values at a time. So that means equal operator return the only corresponding values, but that means it can take only single value, okay. But here in operator it can take multiple values at a time. So please observe the example. Select star from employee where department number in, I want to take a 10th department and 30 department. So I did not take 20 department. Okay, now I am taking only 10 and 30 department. So please observe here. So these departments it will return. That means in operator take the multiple values at a time, but equal operator take the only single value. Okay, na? And see the second example. Select star from employee where employee name in. So here I will take multiple employee names. First one is Smith, second one name is Hari, third name is Miller, the fourth one is King, and the next one is, so here spelling mistake is there. Third one is fifth one is Blake. Okay na? So these are the employee names I want. I don't want all the employee names. I want only 5 employee names. So please observe. So it will return the Smith, Hari, Blake, King, Miller. Okay na? So using in operator we can get the multiple values at a time. So that is the use of in operator. So the next one is opposite operator. I will copy paste same example. So here I am using not in. So please observe. So not in means except these employee names return the remaining employee names. So please observe here these are the remaining employee names. So except these employee names it is written the remaining employee names. So in operator means return the same values, but not in means return the except these values return the remaining values. And the next one is between operator. So between operator is used to return the range of the values. Return the range of values. See the example. Select star from employee where salary between 2000 and 3000. So I want to display the salaries in between 2000 and 3000. So here I have one question. So these values include or exclude? 2000 and 3000 include or exclude? Anybody can tell me?
Include.
Yes,
Include.
yes. These two values are include. So I will give one more value here. For example, 1600 is their exact value and 3100 is there. Please observe. So it is also including 1600 and 3100. So in between these values also written. Okay na? So these are all are in between 1600 and 3100. So next one is not between. So that is the opposite of between operator. So except these values written the remaining values. So please observe, except these values, okay na, and remaining these values. The next one is like operator. So what is the use of like operator? So like operator is used to return the some pattern of the values based on pattern of values it is returned. Okay na? So he see here first requirement, write down, write a query to display, write a query to display which employees which employee name start with a. Select star from employee where a employee name like so for that so what is our value here? A, which implies starting with a character. So for that first take a, okay na? First take a character and next remaining character we don't want, so for that we have to use the percentage symbol, okay na? So remaining values you need to fill with the percentage value. So now please observe, so this Adam start with the a character, okay na? So same like that if you want to start with any b letter, you can see the b character, okay na? So only what employee having start with b, and the next requirement is so write a query to display which employee name second letter start with a, second letter start with a. So previously start with first letter, okay na? Start with first letter, but here start with second letter a. So for that writing query select star from employee where employee name like. So now tell me, so we want only second letter, okay na? For that leave the first letter, so I am filling with the underscore first letter. So now I want second letter a, and the remaining values I want to fill with percentage. Okay na? So I want second letter A, and first letter you need to fill with underscore, and remaining letters you need to fill with percentage symbol. So please observe here. So these all the names, these all the employee names, second letter start with A. Here Hari, here second letter A, and Ward second letter A, and Martin second letter A, James second letter A. And write down the third requirement. Write a query to display which employee names ends with ends with n ends with n. Okay na? Which employee names ends with n. Select star from employee where e name like. So we don't want first letter, second letter, third letter. Okay na? We want to find out whose employee name ends with n. So for that, so first all the values you need to fill with the percentage symbol. So we want only last letter, so the last letter display the n. So please observe. So Martin, so the last letter ends with n. Okay na? The fourth query is write a query to display which employee names which employee names which employee names name display A in any position, so not only first position, second position, third position, or last position. So want to find out any position. Select star from employee where employee name like. So we need to fill with the percentage both side, and middle you need to use a character. So it will display the any position, like first position, second, third, fourth, whatever it is. So please observe, in Hari it is occupying second position, Ward second position, Martin second position, Blake third position, Clark third position, Adams here first position is there, third position is there, and James also second position. So like that it will display the any position. And last one is write a query to display which employee name start with S and ends with H. Okay. So here we were discussed separately starting position and ending position, but now we will combine these starting position and ending position in this query. Okay na? Select a star from employee where employee name like so for that what is the first letter? Start with a s and percentage and ends with h. So please observe. So Smith is the correct answer. So here Smith is starting with S and ending with the H. So like that you need to find out the using like operator. So in interview point of like operator also very important. So this is the regarding about operators. So we will see the not like operator also same like that like operator, so that is the opposite. So here we have to use not like, so that name except that name return the remaining employee names. Okay, na? So this is the regarding about operators in